Have you ever paused to consider the importance of blood purification in your body? It's a process that's quietly working round the clock, ensuring that your body stays healthy and full of vitality. But did you know that your diet plays a crucial role in supporting this process? Yes, that's right. The foods we consume can significantly influence how efficiently our blood is purified. Indeed, the foods we eat can play a significant role in purifying our blood. Want to know how? Let's dive right in. First up on our list is a common kitchen ingredient, garlic. This pungent, flavorful bulb is a powerhouse of health benefits. Garlic is particularly known for its blood purification properties. It helps flush out toxins, enhancing your overall well-being. But that's not all. It's also a fantastic immunity booster, helping your body fight off infections. Plus, it's packed with antibacterial properties, making it a natural antibiotic. So next time you cook, don't forget to add a clove or two of garlic for that extra health boost. Next up is a green powerhouse, broccoli. This humble vegetable is brimming with antioxidants that work tirelessly to combat harmful substances in your blood. But that's not all. Broccoli is also a fantastic source of fiber, which plays a crucial role in eliminating toxins from your body. Think of it as a little green cleaner, scrubbing away impurities from your blood, leaving it clean and healthy. With broccoli, you're not only getting a tasty veggie, but also a natural blood purifier. Coming in third on our list is the vibrant beetroot. This deep red vegetable is not just pretty to look at, it's also packed with iron and other beneficial compounds. The iron in beetroot helps your body produce red blood cells, which are essential for carrying oxygen around your body. Plus, beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. These properties make beetroot a powerful blood purifier. So don't shy away from this vibrant vegetable. It's a blood purifier in disguise. Number 4 on our list is everyone's favorite, green tea. Overflowing with antioxidants, green tea is a wellness superstar. It's like a detox spa in a cup, flushing out harmful toxins from your system. But that's not all. It's also a powerful blood purifier, helping to keep your bloodstream clean and healthy. It's like a cleansing rain for your body, washing away impurities and leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. So sip on that cup of green tea and let it work its magic. Fifth on our list is the refreshing watermelon. This juicy red delight is not just a summer favorite, but also a health enthusiast's dream. Packed with water, watermelon aids in flushing out toxins from the body, making it a natural blood purifier. Its high water content keeps your body hydrated and your kidneys healthy. Plus, the presence of antioxidants enhances the body's ability to detoxify itself. So, the next time you need a refreshing treat, reach for watermelon. Remember, a slice of watermelon a day keeps toxins at bay. Next up, we have the tangy and versatile lemon. This sunny citrus fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, a key player in detoxification. It aids in purifying your blood by removing toxins and waste materials. And that's not all. Lemons also stimulate the liver, your body's primary detoxifying organ. They boost the production of enzymes that convert toxins into a water-soluble form, making it easier for your body to eliminate them. So, when life gives you lemons, squeeze them into your water for a detoxifying boost. Last but not least, we have the golden spice, turmeric. This vibrant spice is much more than just a kitchen staple. It's packed with a compound called curcumin, which gives it its signature color and its powerful health benefits. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know it also acts as a natural blood purifier? Yes, that's right. It aids in removing toxins and promoting healthy blood flow. So, sprinkle some turmeric in your meals and let it cleanse your blood naturally. And there you have it. 7 foods that act as natural blood purifiers. Garlic, broccoli, beetroot, green tea, watermelon, lemon, and turmeric each have unique properties that help cleanse your blood. Try incorporating these foods into your meals to reap the benefits. The power of a balanced diet should never be underestimated. It's an essential component of a healthy lifestyle. Remember, a healthy diet is the first step towards a healthier you. So, make these foods a part of your daily routine and feel the difference.